Introduce highlight features or overview of ZR-TNT Portable Power Cleaner, Cordless Pressure Washer, 21-volt battery max 580 PSI 1.0 GPM Professional Portable Power Washer with accessories. High pressure cleaner suitable for car washing and surface cleaning. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Power through a variety of cleaning tasks with 580 maximum PSI and 1.0 GPM portable cleaning on the job site or at home with 10x the cleaning power of a garden hose with the ZR-TNT 21-volt 2.0 amp. Battery powered. The pressure wash machine is ultra lightweight. Even with the battery and lance installed, it only weighs 2.9 pounds. Take it up to the lake and just drop the hose in the water. On-the-go adaptability to draw water from any fresh water source. Ultimate portability. Multi-function pressure nozzle lets you easily switch between spray intensities, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and watering setting. In addition, we also provide a nozzle with detergent container, approximate 250 ml, which can be used for daily cleaning. Fast foaming, fine and uniform foam, easy to wash the car. It is the most ideal cleaning tool for individuals and small vehicle maintenance units to clean cars and motorcycles. Our compact pressure washer gun is effective especially for cleaning the exterior walls of buildings, floors, baths, swimming pools, doors, and windows, and corners that are difficult to clean manually. It's the ultimate portable mini power cleaner for at-home or outdoor camping and long trips, and easy to store. If you want to get full highlight features and full review, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.